Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where you can make $25 per hour doing proofreading and editing services. If that's your thing, if you're good at proofreading and editing, you want to stick around and see this video. And I'm going to show you how you can make $25 an hour to work for this particular company right here. Alrighty, so first of all, for those of you that are new to my videos and or my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, reach down there below your video right now and click that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little bell right there to the right of it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. Okay, alright, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. What we want to do is we want to come back over here to this site here. It's called proofreading.org. You see it right up here in the address bar right there, guys. Proofreading.org. It's Cambridge Proofreading, as you can see right here. What this site does is people from academics, businesses, individuals, all kinds of people can come here and get their documents proofread for grammar and spelling and punctuation and things like that. And this site is rated very well, as you can see right here, guys, on Trustpilot right here. They have a 5-star rating out of 2,300 reviews total. In fact, I clicked on it there, and it takes you over, and you can see that they've got excellent score here out of 2,300 reviews. People really like this particular website. So it's a good quality website, a quality company. And as we scroll down here, you can see all the different things that they offer and people, what they do with documents and all the different stuff. And then you can see how many people that do this, and 50,000 different students, academics, businesses, and individuals worldwide have worked with this company. And some of their work that they do is in astrophysics, biomedical, business, cover letter and resumes, economics, electrical engineering, information systems law, and political science, philosophy, pharmaceuticals, and nursing, to name a few. And people can order and get their documents and or things proofread for them through this site. But this is how people come here and use this site. But now how can you make that $25 per hour that I was telling you about? Well, what you want to do is you want to come up here under the About section right here, guys. You see where my mouse is, and you want to come down in this menu to where it says Careers and Jobs, and click right there on that. And that brings you over here to this page, guys, and you see here Remote Proofreading and Editing Jobs. And it says here, it says Work with the Best, established in Cambridge, England, and headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, United States. Cambridge Proofreading works with experienced editors from around the globe. And as you can see here, help writers worldwide improve the language and structure of academic papers, business communications, and more, and coach clients to become better and more confident writers, and experience the appreciation of happy clients. Which, guys, by the way, this is not a employment of any kind of thing you're about to see here in a moment. This is independent contract work for this company. And you can see right here who our editors come from diverse backgrounds and a broad range of specialisms. And then it talks about right here the perks of working with us. Edit documents from your own areas of interest and expertise. Work from anywhere in the world, so it's goodbye commute. There's no more driving to work. Doesn't matter if you're on the beach. You can be working from there as long as you have internet access, right, and a computer. And then retain complete control over your schedule. Work when you want and only when you want. Like I said, this is independent contracting work. And it says here, focus on editing. We take care of client care and logistics so you can concentrate on what you love to do and receive personalized feedback and guidance to hone your skills and experience the satisfaction of helping appreciative clients from all over the world. It says here the minimum requirements right here, guys. It says be a native English speaker, so you got to be really good with the English language, right? Doesn't matter where you live at, as long as you have command of the English language, you'd be good for this job. It says right here, have an exceptional understanding of the English language and hold at least a bachelor's degree from a respected university. So if you have just a bachelor's degree, it doesn't matter what it's in or what your subject is, as long as you have that bachelor's degree, they will accept you in this company here, and they prefer people that have master's and doctorate degrees work with them anyways, but they will accept just a bachelor's degree. And as you can see right here, in return for your expertise and hard work, we offer average pay of $20 to $25 per hour, paid twice monthly, guys. And you can also, they give you feedback and guidance to improve your skills and efficiency. They even have an access to a resource library that you have access to be able to help you increase and hone your skills as well. You have full control over which orders you accept, and flexibility. Your schedule remains your own, so you work whenever you want to from wherever you want to. That's pretty well shown and documented right here on this site. This is not an employment, this is independent contractor. It says we will email you job proposals containing information about the order, including its topic, word count, and deadline. And at the click of a button, you can choose to accept or reject any proposal, and you decide which jobs to accept with no questions or explanations needed, guys. It's really, really a lot of freedom in this company here, and you can set your own schedules. You are in charge of your schedule and retain full control over which jobs you accept. And then you can hone your skills, like I said, in their resource library up there, and then they pay you, they're saying weekly here, but I'd go with what it says right here. We settle invoices twice monthly via PayPal for non-U.S. editors. So if your PayPal should be available all over the world. And then if you're in the United States, for U.S. editors, they can use PayPal and direct deposit to their bank account as well. And then, guys, it's just simply a matter of clicking right here. If you want to join the Cambridge team and be a proofreader for this company, you can click right here and make up to $25 per hour, working when you want and from where you want with this great, respectable company here called Cambridge Proofreading, guys. And come over now and get started on this, and you can have a job working wherever you want to work, make up to $25 per hour. That's a pretty good income. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that. If you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click that notification bell so you get notified, and leave any comments down there below if you have any comments about this video, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com down there in the top of my description, and come over and see what I've got available there to help you learn how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.